Welcome to Namibia, a land of contrasts. Namibia, a land of stark beauty, vast landscapes and incredible wildlife. From towering red dunes to rugged coastlines, Namibia offers a tapestry of diverse landscapes. Witness the raw power of nature and the resilience of life in its most extreme forms. From the heart of the Namib Desert to the wildlife-rich plains of Etosha National Park. Join me on an unforgettable journey through this remarkable country. Let the adventure begin. Our first stop is Sossusvlei, a salt and clay pan nestled amid some of the tallest sand dunes in the world. Here the landscape transforms into an ocean of sand, with dunes towering hundreds of meters high. The sheer scale of these dunes is breathtaking. As the sun rises, it paints the dunes in a spectrum of colors, from fiery orange to deep crimson. The wind sculpts the sand into ever-changing patterns, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry. At the heart of Sossusvlei lies Etched, a surreal and hauntingly beautiful clay pan. Here the skeletons of ancient camel thorn trees stand sentinel, their branches reaching towards the sky. These trees died centuries ago when the Tsaochab River that once flowed here changed course. The stark white clay pan, dotted with the dark skeletal trees against the backdrop of the red dunes, creates a photographer's paradise. It's a scene of stark beauty and a testament to the power of time and the elements. Next, we venture to the Skeleton Coast, a desolate stretch of coastline known for its treacherous waters and unforgiving desert. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery and foreboding. Over the centuries, countless ships have met their demise along this coast, their remains scattered along the shore like forgotten relics. The harsh desert climate has preserved these shipwrecks, creating eerie reminders of the perils of the sea. The rusted hulls of ships stripped bare by the elements stand as stark monuments to the power of nature. But amidst the desolation, life finds a way. Cape Cross on the Skeleton Coast is home to one of the largest colonies of Cape fur seals in the world. Hundreds of thousands of seals gather here, their barks and cries echoing across the beaches. The sight and sound of so many seals in one place is an unforgettable experience. The Skeleton Coast is a place of stark beauty and raw power, a testament to the enduring force of nature and the fragility of human endeavors. From the desolate coast, we journey inland to Etosha National Park, one of Africa's premier wildlife destinations. Etosha centers around a vast salt pan so large it can be seen from space. This shimmering expanse attracts a dazzling array of wildlife, particularly during the dry season when animals congregate around the few available waterholes. Etosha is home to a diverse range of mammals, including elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras and rhinos. The park is also a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 340 bird species recorded here. Game drives in Etosha are an unforgettable experience. Imagine the thrill of spotting a pride of lions lounging in the shade, or witnessing a herd of elephants lumbering across the plains. The park's diverse ecosystems, from grasslands to woodlands, provide a variety of habitats for its inhabitants. Whether you're a seasoned safari goer or a first-timer, Etosha National Park promises an unforgettable wildlife experience. It's a place where you can witness the raw beauty of the African wilderness and the incredible diversity of life it supports. Section 5, the Himba people, guardians of ancient traditions. Our journey through Namibia wouldn't be complete without experiencing the rich cultural heritage of its people. The Himba people, who reside in the northern Culinary region, offer a fascinating glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The Himba are pastoral people, known for their distinctive red ochre body paint and intricate hairstyles. This ochre paste, made from butterfat and red ochre, is not only decorative but also protects their skin from the harsh sun. Traditionally, Himba women wear simple skirts made of animal hide, while men wear loincloths. Their hairstyles, often elaborate and adorned with beads and ornaments, signify their age and social status. The Himba people have a deep connection to their land and their livestock, which are central to their culture and livelihood. Visiting a Himba village offers a unique opportunity to learn about their traditions, customs and beliefs. It's a chance to step back in time and witness a way of life that has endured for generations. Section 6. Fish River Canyon, a geological masterpiece. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer scale and grandeur of Fish River Canyon, the second largest canyon in the world. Carved over millions of years by the Fish River, this geological wonder stretches for over 160 kilometers, with depths reaching up to 550 meters. The views from the canyon rim are simply breathtaking. The vast expanse of the canyon, with its layers of rock formations, paints a vivid picture of geological time. The canyon floor, a ribbon of green vegetation snaking through the arid landscape, is a testament to the life-giving force of the Fish River. For the adventurous, hiking the Fish River Canyon is an unforgettable experience. This multi-day trek takes you through the heart of the canyon, allowing you to fully appreciate its immense scale and beauty. The trail winds its way through narrow gorges, past towering cliffs and across sandy riverbeds. Fish River Canyon is a place of immense beauty and solitude. It's a place to connect with nature on a grand scale and to gain a deeper appreciation for the power of geological forces. Section 7. Swakopmund, Adventure and Charm on the Coast. Our journey takes us back to the coast, to the charming town of Swakopmund. Nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and the Namib Desert, Swakopmund is a popular seaside resort town known for its colonial architecture, adventure activities and relaxed atmosphere. The town's German heritage is evident in its architecture, with buildings featuring traditional German styles. Take a stroll along the waterfront promenade, lined with palm trees and cafes, and soak up the town's unique ambience. For adventure seekers, Swakopmund is a haven. The town is a hub for activities such as quad biking, sandboarding and skydiving. You can also take a scenic flight over the desert and the Skeleton Coast for a bird's-eye view of this incredible landscape. In the evenings, enjoy fresh seafood at one of the town's many restaurants, or simply relax on the beach and watch the sunset over the Atlantic. Swakopmund is a place to unwind, explore and experience the best of coastal Namibia. Section 8. Namib Naukluft Park, Life Finds a Way. Our final destination is Namib Naukluft Park, the largest conservation area in Africa. This vast park encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from the towering dunes of Sossusvlei to the rugged mountains of the Naukluft. Namib Naukluft Park is a testament to the resilience of life. Despite the harsh desert conditions, a remarkable array of plants and animals have adapted to survive here. Look out for desert-adapted elephants, oryx and springbok, as well as smaller creatures like the Namaqua chameleon and the fog-basking beetle. One of the park's most fascinating inhabitants is the Welwitschia mirabilis, a plant that can live for over 1,000 years. This bizarre-looking plant has only 2 leaves that grow continuously throughout its lifespan, sprawling across the desert floor. Namib Naukluft Park is a place of wonder and discovery where you can witness the incredible adaptations of life in one of the world's oldest and driest deserts. Section 9. A Taste of Namibia, Culinary Delights. No journey through Namibia is complete without experiencing its unique culinary offerings. Namibian cuisine is a flavorful fusion of indigenous ingredients and influences from its colonial past. One of the most popular dishes is podjekos, a traditional stew slow-cooked in a 3-legged cast-iron pot over an open fire. Other favourites include braai, biltong and mopane worms, a local delicacy. For the adventurous foodie, trying mopane worms is a must. These large caterpillars are a good source of protein and are often dried or fried. Game meat such as oryx, springbok and kudu is also commonly featured on Namibian menus. Be sure to sample some of the local drinks, such as walende and mataku. And don't forget to try the amarula, a creamy liqueur made from the fruit of the marula tree. Farewell to Namibia, a journey etched in memory. As our journey ends, we carry a kaleidoscope of memories. Namibia's stark beauty, vibrant cultures, and abundant wildlife. The sunrise painting Sossusvlei dunes in gold and crimson. The desolate beauty of the Skeleton Coast, the vastness of Etosha National Park, the ancient traditions of the Himba people, and the geological wonder of Fish River Canyon. Swakopmund, where desert meets sea. Namibia, your landscapes are etched in our memories and your people hold a special place in our hearts. Until we meet again, we bid you a fond farewell.